In this video, I'm going to show you how to make an image transparent in Adobe Fresco. Now to do this, first you want to import your image. So I'm going to click down here, bottom left. I'm going to click on Files and then select a random image from over here. And I'm going to click on Open. Now whenever you do this, you want to click on Done top right whenever you actually adjust it the way you want it to be. And then you want to select the image layer. You want to click on this button over here, top right. And then as you can see, it's going to open Layer Properties and you have Layer Opacity over here. So to make it transparent, you want to put layer opacity towards 0. So don't put it at 0, but of course you can put it like over here, somewhere in the 20 range, for example. And as you can see, it's going to start making your image transparent. Now, if it's not transparent the way you want it, that's because the background is not transparent either. That means you have to just go and either remove the background if you have a layer below like this, or you can also hide it and it's going to make it transparent as well. Okay, so that's how to make images transparent. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.